In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Brevo. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can safely and confidently remove any contact you no longer need in your account. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause the video whenever you need a moment. First, start by logging into your Brevo account. Open your browser, go to the Brevo login page, and sign in with your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Now, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that left panel, find the option labeled CRM. Go ahead and click on CRM. As soon as you do, Brevo will automatically take you into the contacts section. This is where all of your saved contacts are stored and managed. Inside the contacts area, you'll see a list of all the contacts associated with your account. Take a moment to locate the specific contact you want to delete. You can scroll through the list, or if there's a search bar available, you can type in part of the name or email address to find them more quickly. Once you've found the contact you want to remove, look to the left of their name. You'll see a small checkbox next to that contact. Click the checkbox to select that contact. When you do this, you'll notice that some additional options appear at the top of the contact list. At the top, look for a button labeled More Actions. Click on More Actions and a drop-down menu will open. From this drop-down, choose the option that says Delete Permanently. As soon as you select Delete Permanently, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This pop-up will warn you that you are about to delete the selected contact, and it will remind you that deleting contacts is permanent and cannot be undone. This is an important safety check, so take a second to make sure you've selected the correct contact. In that pop-up, Brevo will usually ask you to type a specific word or phrase into a field to confirm that you really want to go through with the deletion. Carefully type in what it asks for. Once you've entered the confirmation text, click the delete button. After you click delete, the contact will be permanently removed from your Brevo account, and they will no longer appear in your contacts list. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a contact in Brevo.